What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortz, and we are in Agadir. I'm here for a few days, so I've got quite a few videos planned. If you want to see any other videos, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. As always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. And make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always post sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. So let's see what we can do here in Agadir. Agadir beachfront, even though it's summertime. In Marrakesh it was 45 degrees. Here it's about 28 and it's foggy, windy, you can see. So we're going to head over to the beachfront. We've got lots of restaurants, have something light to eat, and then head down to the marina where we're going to catch a boat ride. Beach is getting a bit busy, as you can see. It is a bit foggy here as well. If we look at the mountain, very foggy at the top. But we're on the beachfront and you're spoiled for choice when it comes to restaurants. You've got Indian food, Afghani food, Lebanese, Moroccan, English, whatever you want, you probably get it on this beachfront. As you can see, all the restaurants just go on. So yeah, let's see what we're going to have for lunch before we hit the boat ride. We'd opted for Turkish. Not had a Turkish in ages. This is a Costa Bella Istanbul restaurant. Do quite a lot of different things, to be honest. Let's see what we're going to get. Might get that with chicken shish. But yeah, I'll just show you what they've got and then order some. Not going heavy, but chicken shawarma with some chips. Weather's changed a bit, but anyways, if you're wanting to know where to catch a boat ride from, you've got to go to the marina, which is in the far end of Agadir Beach. Go into the corner where all the shops are, and that's where you'll see the boat. I'm going to end the video right here. As always, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot more videos yet to come on Allsortzz, whether it be vlogs, challenges, food videos, anything like that. There's a lot yet to come here on Allsortzz. If you have any ideas on what I should do here in Morocco, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.